welcome. Die Geschichte heute kommt aus einem Buch, das heißt Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. Die Geschichten bauen alle aufeinander auf. Diese Geschichte ist besonders für AnfängerInnen. Es gibt auch noch eine andere Pete-Geschichte. Wenn du dieses Video fertig gesehen hast und die noch nicht geguckt hast, schau sie dir gerne an. I am Mrs. Teacher Journey. And I am a happy English teacher in Bremen. The name of the story, Geschichte, is I love my white shoes. Okay, this is black, this is white. I love my white shoes. Oh no, my shoes are not white. My shoes are black. This is white, this is black, this is black. All right. This is Pete. This is Pete's nose. Pete is a cat. Not a normal cat. Pete is a blue cat. Not a problem. Pete's eyes. And Pete has, I have 2 pens. 1 pen, 2 pens, 2 pens. I have 2 pens. Pete has new shoes, not old shoes. My shoes are old. My shoes are not new. No, they're old, okay? But Pete's shoes are new. So Pete is a cat. And Pete has new shoes. And he loves his shoes. He loves his shoes. They are white and they're new. And he is walking, not running, he's walking on the street. This is a street. He's walking on the street. And he is singing. I love my white shoes. 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 But, on the street. My hand, on my hand. The pen is on my hand, but not on my hand. On the street are strawberries, old strawberries. There are strawberries on the street. And Pete, with his new white shoes, he steps. 1 step, 2 steps, a step, right? With your shoe, you go step, 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 step. He steps into the strawberries. Oh. His new white shoes, are they white? His new white shoes are now red. Okay. Red strawberries. Red strawberries. What? Strawberries? Strohbeeren? Ja, weil die früher auf Stroh gewachsen sind oder weil man Stroh drunter gemacht hat. Heute manchmal vielleicht auch noch, damit die nicht schlecht werden am Boden. So, strawberries. Okay. All right. One strawberry It's like this, okay? With a Y. But 2 or more strawberries, like this. Okay, so his new white shoes are not white, they are now red. Oh no. Does he cry? No. Is he sad? No. Pete is a happy cat. He just keeps on, macht weiter. He just keeps on walking and singing. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red. Red? Uh-oh. Oh no. What do we have here? We have some, oh yeah, you know it. We have some blueberries. 3 blueberries. No, not 3. 30 blueberries. Not 3, 30, okay. 30 blueberries on the street. 30. This is an R, okay? R, 30. 30 blueberries. His new shoes are not red. They are purple, and then they are blue. Oh no. His new shoes, his new white shoes are now blue. Is he sad? Does he cry? Tut weinen? No. He is a happy cat. He just keeps on singing. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my... Oh no. What do we have here? Uh-oh. We have some spinach. Spinach. Ooh, spinach is spinat. Do you love spinach? I love spinach. I love it fresh and I love it cooked. Ich glaube, ihr könnt erraten, was das heißt. I love spinach. Pete does not love spinach. Pete loves his new shoes, but he steps into the spinach. His new shoes are now not blue, not red, and not white. They are now, ta-da, green. Is he sad? Does he cry? No. He is a happy cat. He just keeps on singing. I love my green shoes. I love my green shoes. I love my green shoes. I love my splash. Oops. No more spinach. This is a puddle of spinach. A puddle is on the ground, auf dem Boden, eine Pfütze, right? This is a puddle of spinach. Now, not spinach. Now, it's blue. Here, it's water. Not really blue, right? This is water. It's a puddle of water. Now, his new shoes are not green from the spinach, or red from the strawberries, or blue from the blueberries. They are white again. Happy end? No. His new shoes are white, aber, but, they are wet. They are wet. Does Pete cry? Is he sad? No, he's a happy cat. He just keeps on singing. I love my wet shoes. 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 The end. Meine Schülerinnen haben aber noch ein anderes Ende dazu gedichtet, dass nämlich die Schuhe auszieht. He takes off his shoes and he sings, I love it barefoot. I love it barefoot. Barefoot is like this, right? I mean, he's a cat. His foot is not like this. What does a cat foot look like? Like this, right? A claw, and this is a paw. So the paw and the claw. Okay, cats have claws. Okay. Langsam wird es da draußen laut, gleich ist Pause. Aber ich gucke mal, ob ich noch ein paar Fragen stellen kann für euch. Okay, schnell noch ein paar Fragen, bevor es noch lauter wird. They are running in the corridor, in the hall. Die rennen hier die Kinder in die Pause. They are running. What color is Pete? Is he blue? Yes, he is blue. He's not red like the strawberries. He's not blue like the blueberries. He is not green like the spinach. He is blue. What color are Pete's eyes? They are red here. Not in the book. Read the book and you can see they're not red in the book. But I don't have yellow. His shoes here, are they wet? Wet? Yes, they are wet. What is wet in German? Nass. Yeah, he's nass. They're wet because of the puddle of water, right? Does Pete step into chocolate? No, he does not step into chocolate. He steps into strawberries, into blueberries, into a puddle of water, and into spinach. Okay? Do you like spinach? No? Do you like strawberries or blueberries? Do you like jumping into puddles? I like jumping into puddles, but I don't do it. I like my shoes. Ich hoffe, das war schön einfach. Falls nicht, dann schau gerne noch vorher das andere Pete the Cat Video, was ich schon hochgeladen habe. Am besten 1 oder 2 Videos die Woche mindestens. Auch andere Videos, die du vielleicht im Internet findest, die leicht sind und verständlich. Dann wirst du sehen, dass dein Englisch auch ohne Vokabeln lernen und Grammatik büffeln mit der Zeit besser werden wird. Und es wird ganz angenehm sein, das verspreche ich. Dann bis zum nächsten Mal.